What's up, everybody? It's MH the Barber. I'm starting off here with our Vincent comb by Kenny Duncan. Just combing them out, prepping for the cut. Here I'm using my Andis Supra ZRs. This clipper right here is real good. It has 5 speeds. It has a white ceramic cutting bleed that allows me to keep cutting while the bleed stays cool. No comfort for the client's head. I'm using right now 1A. For starters, I'm cutting with the grain, just following the natural pattern that his hair goes in. He wants to keep his waves. So it's going to basically be careful, follow the direction of his hair. And we're not guessing. I'm going to make sure that I know which way his hair goes. I'm not going to cut where I can't see. So now that I got them all cut down, I'm going to go ahead and start with a simple fade. I'm using the Wall Magic clips. I like to start my clippers closed. That's how I put my guideline. Halfway open as I begin to go up more, and then all the way open. And that should start my fade right there before I put my next clip on. Repeating the same steps for the back of his head. I start with my lever closed. I'll do halfway open and all the way open. My next clip is going to be the 0.5 clip, which is the 1/16 from Wall. So here's my 1/16 clip. Now with this one, I don't have to start it closed. It's kind of a cheat for me. I got my own formula. I'll start with this one halfway open, because it kind of blends for me once I put my 1/8 on, which is my one black clip from Wall. I'll go ahead, open my lever for this one here, just kind of feather it out. Not really putting any hard lines in. The lighter you put the lines in, the easier you are to get out, and you're not left with a hard line once you're trying to fade. So here's my 1/8 clip. I'm starting with this one closed here. Knocks that 1/16 line right out easily. I'm not working too hard. I'm comfortable while I'm fading, guys. Just make sure you're comfortable. So combing as I go along. Here, my next step, I'm going to use a speed O guard. This is going to be the level O, which is kind of equivalent to a 2. So that 1/8 line is going to come right out. I'm starting my bleed close. And I'll start opening it up. I won't go too high with this one. This will blend into the haircut itself. So now that I got them all blended, I just take my 1/8 guard and just go ahead and go over the fade. Any hairs are sticking up, just lay it down. This is all just prep, guys. It's just laying the hair down and getting control of the haircut. Once you control the hair, you're good. The hair is gonna do exactly what you want it to do. Another cheat that I use, I kind of go against the grain with that 1/8 only on the edges of the hairline. But I'm flicking. I'm not putting any hard lines. I'm not trying to feed. I'm just flicking just to get the hair to lay down. Because sometimes we shape up and then the hair will just frizz up. So once you lay it down, like, it doesn't even give a chance to frizz up. So same steps, just going ahead, my 1/8. Then I'm taking it into my speed O guard, which is like my 2 guard. I'm gonna fade this out, I'm gonna blend it. And I'll be back right afterwards. All right, now for everyone that's watching, please don't do this to every client. Only certain clients can get this done. I'm going against the grain on the front of his hairline with my 1/8. So what this is doing is just laying his hairline down a little more, kind of like what I did behind the ear, but a little bit more extreme. This client has weight in the front of his hair that he doesn't have on the sides and in the back. It's just in the top of his head and the front of his head. It's real heavy. So what it's doing is just giving you the illusion that everything is even. So once I hit it with the 1/8, I'll proceed with my Speedo guard, which is my 2, and blend that in. This will complement my shape up. You can see this is blending real good. I'm going to go ahead and shampoo them up, and I'll be right back. Justin, here's our Havoc brush. We have these on our website for sale. I'll put all the links below. Havoc brush is our wave brush, natural curve in it, natural beech oak wood. This is our ice blue. So I'm just giving him a quick brush session, laying his hair down, wiping his hairline down. Just prep it for my shape up. Prepping is everything. You can't just go from a hair wash and just shape it straight up. You gotta prep it. We'll dry it in, and you'll see how much this lays. Like a good hair wash equals a great shape up. I'll show you. I'm using my Andis wireless T-liners. This blade here, I modified it myself. I thinned it down, lined it up how I wanted it for my hand. Everyone's hand is different, so if I give you these clippers, might be too sharp, might not be sharp enough. It's all about how much pressure you're applying to the blade, but as you can see, it's gliding straight through. Getting my famous Philly white line on. It's comfortable for my client's skin. It's not hurting them. It might like a scratching. Some people may say, oh, you're not shaping up hair, but these are shaping up hair. My clients come back every week because it's shaping up hair. So normally what I would do is shape up the front and save the curve for last, but I know this client, I know where his hairline should be, so I'm comfortable with proceeding with one side and going to the next. Who this guy in the background stealing my rice cakes? I'm trying to be healthy, work out, and this skinny dude comes and takes my rice cakes. That's crazy. But anyway, yeah, so here, I'm going ahead and line it back up. Like I said, my client's not flinching, he's not moving, he's comfortable. If I ask him, are the clippers hurting, he's gonna say he doesn't even feel it. Nice clean shape up, nice. See the hair is laid, not heavy, no heavy frizz on the hairline. Well, the top of the head is laying down for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other side, and I'll be back. Oh man, it's almost like painting right here. This is easy. It's just too easy. It's crazy. Consistency is the hardest part, but once your clippers are right and they move how they need to move, and the hair is prepped, and your client's cool. Listen, my veteran barbers know when that client hair is compliant with you, everything is sweet. It makes you want to come back to the shop the next day and cut all day. This is a good feeling. If anybody need help with a line of clippers, you can contact me. I'll put all my information down below. Now I'm proceeding with my derbies. These are the breakable blades. I have my feather razor holder. This is a good sturdy razor holder, has nice weight to it. I like for my blade to be exposed a little bit. I feel like I get a little bit more control over it. Tips for my newer barbers, starting with the razor. I'm going to do a video as well. Stay tuned. But you want to stretch the skin, keep the skin tight. You don't want any folds while you're razoring. If you get a fold while you're in the middle of razoring, you're definitely going to cut them. Alright, just finishing touches. That's the point of the razor. But this is it, guys. I'm going to put the pictures up for the finished product. Comment, subscribe. Please subscribe so I can keep these videos going. I know you guys are interested. Any questions you guys may have, feel free to ask. I'll answer them. I can even call you if I need to call you and tell you. Follow my Instagram, MH the Barber. And check out my links below, guys. Catch you next time.